What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Albert here, and again, it's been a while since I last posted a video, but here we go. Actually, another exciting news, pretty interesting. I am getting new wheels on the car. Just want to explain to you right before I go get them installed why I'm getting new wheels. What happened is someone close to where I live, there's a bunch of potholes, and I was driving one of these days, and I don't think I was driving that fast, but it was probably speed limit, and I hit a pothole, and what that did, it was just dented the wheel. And not only did it dent the wheel, but it cracked it. It messed it up. So I had a flat, and I was thinking it was the flat. It was marking low tire pressure. So I thought it was just a regular tire flat tire, my bad. And went to go get it checked, and they're like, no, your tire's okay. It's the rim. It's cracked, so the air's escaping through that crack on the rim. So dang it, man. I started looking around, and y'all know it's not gonna be cheap to fix a wheel. So they're gonna charge me, I think they were quoting me some places 60 to 200 bucks. And then I still needed to get it repainted and stuff like that. So it was gonna be pretty expensive. I don't know if I did the right decision, because I really like my wheels. That 5-spoke, a concave wheel in the back, I really like those. But I've been trying to experiment with this for a while, and well, I guess I had the opportunity, the chance to do it, so I took it, and I got them on sale, really good price, brand new from LMR, Late Model Restoration. If you don't know where to buy Mustang parts, this is one of the places to go to. And especially since I live in Texas, I got everything like in what, maybe 2 days. I think I ordered them Wednesday and I got them Friday in the afternoon, Friday evening. So I mean, my car's right there. It's been parked for like a whole week. Yeah, a whole week it's been parked. I can't move it because it's a flat tire, and it's not because of the tire again, it's because of the wheel. So I guess let's get right into the video. Hope you guys enjoy the wheels. I hope I like them. My girlfriend was kind of like, I don't really like them. I prefer your niche wheels instead. And I mean, I do like the wheels. My old wheels, they had a nice setup in the back. They were really, I guess you can say, thick, real wide in the back, especially with that concave in the back. It looks really nice. I don't miss the wheels. I already found somebody who bought them. Y'all seen them in my videos before, so you all will see his car with the wheels. So we'll see, God willing, what's gonna go on from here. Freaking tire is destroyed, man. My rim is completely destroyed. Sneak peek, guys. No, never mind. This is gonna be the last time we see my car with these wheels for now. Tell me what you guys think. Oh man, they're gonna look real good. They used to look real good. I'm scared. How's it gonna look? Oh, it looks badass.
Such a liar.
You don't like it? You don't like it?
We'll park over there next to it.
We're better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
That's it. Yeah, clean them. That's how they look like, clean. They're bronze. They're like a brownish. Oh yeah. The black ones are these.
Why is the wheel cap?
I don't know. I'm asking about that. I know. I want to ask him about that.
It looks like a fidget spinner.
It's nice.
It's pretty cool. All right, guys. That's gonna wrap it up for the video. Tell me what you guys think about it, about the bronze. How do you feel about it? Drewell said she likes them. I don't know if she likes them more than the niche I had. You see, she liked the black ones. I like the black ones too, but something different. This is something I wanted to try out for the longest time. She just never let me. She didn't really like it. I was going for an Iron Man theme back in the day, and I can show you that I'm not lying because my engine bay is painted red and gold.
You got it painted today?
No, I didn't get it painted today. It's been like that for a while. And that's what I was going for, but since I had a black accent, she was like, no, it's not Iron Man theme anymore. So I just never followed through with it. She crushed the dreams of the Iron Man, the Iron Stang. That's what it was called, the Iron Stang. But she crushed it. Now with the gold wheels, I don't know, maybe bringing it back to life, bringing the Iron Man back, since he's not part of Marvel. He's gone. Just bring him back right here. So I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. But I think I'm liking it. My brother liked them. They are concave in the rear. The only issue that I have with them is that silver center cap. I don't know why they sent them out to me like that. I'll message Ellen. She said it looks like a fidget spinner. I don't know what she's talking about, but I am gonna try to message LMR and see what's up with that. But let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to start the Iron Man theme on the car again? See what's up, and from there we'll go on. But yep, that's pretty much it. I like it. Like I said, it's something I was trying to go for the longest time, and well, now I have the bronze goldish wheels. They are the bronze downforce from LMR. I will link the link in the description so y'all can check them out. I did get them for $625. They were on sale. Now they're about $700-800. So yep, 8.5 at the front, 10 in the back. That's gonna wrap it up. Like I said, guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.